Hiya, it's Zaya, and I would like to welcome you back to my channel. I apologize that I have not been here, and I'll get into that more in the video, but this is a change. This was not originally going to be my English planner. My English planner originally was going to be a take a note A5, and for some reason, and I know that we talked about this in my health planner video. This is my health planner, and this was originally going to be my English planner, my English with Zaya planner. But for some reason, I did not go to this book. I was not reaching to it. I didn't write anything in it. And as you saw from this video, I was just so confused on how can I fit all of this information that I need to fit in here in this book. And it dawned on me last night, you know what? Maybe you need to start trusting your gut and do what your gut is telling you. And I had already purchased this because I think this is a beautiful cover, and I wasn't sure what I was going to be using it for, and I didn't have any Happy Planner items in my lineup at all. And then I was like, you know what? This is perfect. This is what I need for my English planner. This is what I need. And then I thought, you know what? I can just cover this up, or I can just take off this vision board, because this system is not enough. I need more pages in my take a note. So what I'm going to be doing is combining my health planner into two take a notes. One is going to be separated for my YouTube tracking stuff, and of course you're going to see both of these on the channel, but one is going to be more towards the YouTube type things, and I'm thinking one might be morning health and stuff, and the other one might be evening. We haven't quite figured it out yet, but we will. Either way, these are both going to be my health and wellness planners. I've been calling them my glow up books. So for now, I'm going to be using two take a notes for that. So that has been a change. The other change is this one here. And because I just decided this last night, there's nothing new added in. We haven't completely started setting it up, but we have pivoted. And right now, this just has the dashboard layout inside here. I do need to get one other Happy Planner ordered, and that is because I need it for my recipe book. Right, no, for my memory book, I need the Happy Planner inserts, just the dividers. So I'm going to be getting a custom cover, or one of the custom covers, so that I can use that. But I just wanted to go ahead and show you the layout here. I love this color, just absolutely love it. It's so beautiful. And this is just your basic regular Happy Planner. I hate that there's not lines here. Please, Happy Planner, please put lines. We need some lines. And this is the dashboard layout. Look at this. It's so beautiful. I just love it so much. So I'm happy that I was able to find a way to use this and to bring Happy Planner into my system. I'm going to be having Take a Note and Sterling Ink, and for the first time, Hemlock and Oak. And I'm very happy that Happy Planner was able to join us on our journey into 2026. And these colors are just absolutely gorgeous. And of course, the wonderful thing about Happy Planner is this disc bound system that you can change up the dividers. And not only the dividers, but the pages. If something's not working, you can add things in. And that's, I think, what I really need for this system, because English is so, how do I say it? English has so many words, so much vocabulary, so many things to teach, that I really need to be able to tip things in. And I know this isn't as long of a video, but I am just so excited to get into this and put all of this information. I have so many printouts that need to go into this book that I'm really happy that the universe, that God pushed me towards putting the information here and not writing it in the take a note. And once again, I do apologize for the lateness in this video. I'm going through a very messy divorce right now, and I'm just feeling really heartbroken, and I'm trying to move into the new year with an open mind and a start over. I want to start over. I want to redo, and I'm really hopeful, and I'm praying that I will get that, and that it'll all work out. So I'm happy you're here, and I hope that you'll stick around and join me on this journey. Bye, friends.